today I'm having a very exciting video for me. Hopefully for you guys too, because I'm excited, and that's what makes the best videos. Hey guys, it's Amanda. So today I have a really exciting video. I'm doing an unboxing of a luxury bag. Okay, my thing with designer items, shoes and bags, like that's what I'll spend my money on. Clothing is a bit hard for me because clothing is like so trendy and like, especially if it's like designer, like people are going to like see it and be like, whoa, like it's gonna catch people's attention. And then you can only wear it like a few times. But I just got a bag from The Real. It's an online consignment store, and there's an app too. I saw in LA like some sort of like stores opening up for it, so that's really exciting. I would recommend this to anyone if you're looking for designer bags, but obviously don't want to like drop like so much on it. So let's open this up. It's been opened. My assistant like came over and unboxed it for me, but I was like, put it back in the bag. I'm doing an unboxing video and I need it to be dramatic. Hopefully it all goes well and this is the most pristine condition. It's totally worth the consignment value. You'll have to go check out this website because it really is insane with all the brands they have. They have everything: Balenciaga, Chanel, Dior. I got a Dior bag, Prada, everything, literally everything. So here's how it came. So it has a garment bag from The Real. It doesn't have the original. I'm not sure if that's because the bag didn't have it or they just like to put their own thing, I don't know. So it comes with this little card. It says authenticity guaranteed. So each piece is put through a multiple point brand specific authentication process. So you know that everything is on here is like actually legit by the name, The Real. So that's good to know. Oh, also if you have any of this stuff, like maybe if you have like a mom that like really wants to like, guys, you should do this. If you have like your mom has a bag or something that she doesn't use, but it's like designer and cool, and like it might be like back in style like as things do, and she might not know about it or whatever. You should be a little business women or men or anything in between and say, okay mom, I'm gonna get this bag sold for you, and then just let me take like 10-15%. Okay, yeah, so there is in store in Soho and West Hollywood. Lit. So if you want to sell anything, you can drop it off at locations. You can ship it directly, or someone can come pick it up for you. The reveal. You guys saw it before I did. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, I'm glad it's all wrapped up. So this is a Dior like saddle bag, which is like back in style. I'm sure this one's older. In the past, I was thinking about getting like the Rasta one. I thought that was cool. But then I saw like what they're making now. They're now making these saddle bags, which is like more modern. Like all like really nice leather. This one is nylon. You got that. Which is good because it's more like comfortable and like can take scratches. Let's get this Dior sign open first. I'm so happy that this is silver because I wanted this bag. I was thinking maybe like the leather one. I was looking for it online and I couldn't find anything with silver, and I only wear like silver jewelry. So getting like a bag with gold on it would just kind of like get in the way of what my vibe is. Kind of clash a bit, but I'm for mixing metals, but I don't have enough like gold and silver to like make it look like legit. This is so exciting. I'm gonna take this out on the town too. This is fun. It's like we're hanging out. This is like what it is for my friends like who live with me. So like Christine, I get packages every day. Well, this is something like I bought, like I got, you know, this wasn't like free as a lot of packages I get are. Yeah, so like there's always like a new exciting package every day that I get to open, and but this is a way more special package. Okay, it's really in there. It's a little fast motion with some cool music to this. Getting overwhelmed. I had a really nice chat on my Instagram live. I really opened up, and it's so rare when I do. Like I'm always afraid of like opening up so much. I don't know, like talking about my personal life, because what happens a lot on YouTube is that, like, especially with like my comments and stuff, is that people like they think that they know me because I put myself out there on the internet, and I'm like, I keep people updated and stuff, like that they know me and they can judge me as a person and my personality, and like to have constant judgment. Like I can deal with you telling me I'm like ugly or I'm too skinny or I'm fat. Like I can deal with that, you know, because I don't feel ugly. But it's hard when like, not even like just like people like in your personal life, but like also on the internet, like come at like who you are as a person. It's hard to let strangers in just for them to tear you down and use it against you. I've been so distant for so long that it's okay to share a little bit. So that, my friends, is the tea. Okay, whew. That was hard. And here we are. We're done! This is so cute. Get really close to the wall. This is my Dior saddlebag that I got for an incredibly reasonable price, thanks to online consignment stores. So cute. I don't really mind if there's like a little bit of wear to my bags because I'm about to do that like the first time I take it out. Sounds really bad. Don't judge me. As I say, as I upload a YouTube video to the internet. Half of my viewers are like super into like this kind of fashion and appreciate the kind of things that I appreciate too. But then like another half of my viewers don't get it at all. And it's not a bad thing. No one's wrong, but it's just my style. But yeah, this is like the vibe. So I'm really happy with my purchase. It went like so well. You guys should definitely check out this website if you're looking for, you know, this kind of situation. The Real Real has up to 90% off of their designer pieces. So, you know, if you want to be rocking like a designer bag, but obviously like you don't want to splurge or don't want to spend that much on something that like maybe will go out of style or something, I really recommend checking it out. And like also you can send your bags in if you want to sell them. So you can like ship them directly to them so they can like authenticate it and stuff. Or they have something called a white glove service where someone can literally come to you and get the bag from you. So it's very easy. I recommend checking it out. That's the tea. So that was my unboxing video. I'm super happy with it. You'll see me rocking this on Instagram, so make sure you're following me. If you aren't, it's @AmandaSteele. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh my god, cute. Yeah. Love that. Here's my thumbnail.